my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. The first step is cleansing, and I wash my face with Himalaya face wash. The next step is toning. So I use rose water for toning, and I shake it before spraying it on my face. And then I let it dry. I do this skincare routine 2 or 3 times a day. Next step is moisturizing. So I use this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. My skincare routine for winter is different than the skincare routine for summer. Right now it's summer, so I don't moisturize as much, but my skin is much more dry in winter, so I sometimes use serum. My skin is pretty dry for most of the part except for the T-zone. I use 2 moisturizers even in summer. I either put on another layer of the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer if I'm not going to be wearing makeup. And if I wear makeup, I use this Colorbar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. This one gives me a little more shine. If I don't wear any makeup after my skincare routine and go throughout the day without any makeup, I curl my lashes. Brush them. And then apply a lip balm or lip gloss. Today I'm using this Maybelline New York Baby Lips in this shade of Broadway Red. And I'm done. My skin feels so much better after my skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and comment down below what video you want to see next, and subscribe so you are around to see that, and hit that notification bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!